is Harmander Singh, and this is my first weekly reflection from my placement at Whistle Contracting Limited in Calgary. In this video, I will be reflecting on my schedule, supervisor, orientation, workstation, office life, the tasks I completed, challenges I faced in the first week, and my favorite part of the week. First, I talk about the work schedule. Uh, I work actually on the Monday to Friday from 7:30 to 4 p.m. Most of my time is in the office. Being a person has been really helpful because I can observe how things are done and ask questions right away to my supervisor and all the other office colleagues. The workday has a nice structure. I usually start by checking emails, organizing any tasks that need to be prioritized, and preparing my for meetings. Actually, not for the meetings. Having a steady routine makes it easier to adjust and feel productive about the things. Come, I think compared to remote or hybrid job, I think being physically present in the office is teaching me more about professional habits like punctuality, managing breaks, and interacting face-to-face colleagues. And that's why I prefer the in-person job. Second thing, we will discuss about the supervisor and communication. I report to Julia Stabler or Laura Cobos. Uh, Julia Stabler was a vice president as HR in HR department, and Laura was HR uh, coordinator. So my communication has been very supportive. They communicate me very sportive, and so far my supervisor checks in with me daily, making sure I understand my tasks and answering questions whenever I need clarification about anything. I feel comfortable approaching them, which is important for building confidence in a new placement. I also noticed that feedback is given is the in a constructive way. It's not just about correcting mistakes, but also showing me how to improve. This has made me feel valued as part of the team. Thirdly, we will discuss about the orientation on my first day. I received an orientation. It was both formal and informal. I was introduced to the office layout, safety procedures, and workplace policies. I also got to meet different team members and learn about their roles, which helped me show how everyone contributes to the company's projects. They also trained me on the systems I will be using, like logging into my email, company software, and handling documents. This orientation made me feel more prepared and give me a sense of directions for my role in the company. Uh, Next, we will talk about the workstation. My workstation is well set up. I have my own desk with the computer. In some one another office colleague, uh, like he's a training trainer to the all Calgary staff, and which is working in the company. I have phone. Actually, I have phone on the reception only. Yeah, and access to the accounts I need. Everything is organized, which helps me focus. Having the right tools available, like company software, email, and phones, makes it possible for me to handle tasks independently. I noticed that the workstation design is practical. For example, the computer is updated with the software I need, and I have access to a printer and filing system nearby. It makes me uh, it makes me realize how important and efficient workstation for productivity. Uh, I think workstation is very well organized. Actually, they have too much offices, and for the every person have a different office. Next we talk about the office life. The office environment is welcoming and professional. It's a medium. sized office. I think yeah, it's a medium size. Yeah, all offices are medium size, which I really like because it feels big enough to be busy, but not so large that you feel lost. The culture is friendly, people are approachable, and they make me and effort to include me. Most people dress in business culture. All the dressing system is casual, not any particular dress code or anything, which strikes a nice balance between professionalism and comfort. During lunch, many employees gather in the lunchroom, and they have two or three lunchrooms for the employees. So they so it doesn't make the rush in there. Uh, and next thing, it's a good chance to socialize and get to know co-workers outside of work tasks. Breaks are also respected, which shows the company values work-life balance. And the first week tasks are like I worked on job postings. I have to arrange the job posting, which is they are have to post in the future. Next thing, I have to upload the infractions of employees and their like they are using the UKG software for their employees data. I have to upload some infractions and like some of the employees are missing their data in their mm, UKG software. So I have to upload. Then I started some. I have to save some pictures of sites like videos and pictures which are coming from site how the workers are working there. This may seem like small tasks, but they are essential for keeping the office running smoothly. I also go to observe how projects are coordinated. Even just sitting in on watching emails or drafted gave me useful insight into how communication flow in the company. These tasks taught me the importance of attention to detail, accuracy, and efficiency in the office work or like administrative work. Uh, the challenge, we talk about some challenge. Uh, Actually, the challenging thing in office, I think I did not get any challenging thing in the office, but the challenge is uh, to travel to my from my home to the office, which is near about 90 minutes to more than 90 minutes. And because I have to travel by a train and bus, that's why I have to get up too early and I reach my house in the evening so late. I free from there, I think on 4 p.m., but I reach my house or home on 6 p.m. That's why that's the most challenging thing I think. Uh, for the system, like I'm planning to, I'm planning to for the traveling, like it should be a part of a job, like so. I did not feel it's most challengeable. The favorite part of the week is that to meet my coworkers, which are seniors to me and also elders. I think I am the youngest employee. I am the youngest there in the whole team in office. I enjoyed having conversation during breaks and working out alongside people who are supportive. It gave me a sense of belonging and motivation to keep learning. I also really liked completing tasks that made me feel useful. For example, uh, I have to upload the documents in their UKG software that shows like it's a fully arranged software, and I think I mm, It showed me that even small contribution me make a difference. Overall, my first week at Vessel Contracting Limited has been a very positive learning experience. I have gained valuable skills, faced challenges. Challenges are normal because on traveling, that's my responsibility to travel or to be arrive on the work on time. I have gained the valuable skills, faced and felt welcomed as part of the team. I am looking forward to building on this experience and contributing more in this and the weeks ahead. Uh, that's all. Thank you for listening to my reflection about placement first week. Thank you.